안녕하세요 여러분, Lydia입니다. So welcome back again. So there's something I noticed about work life, like when they said when you start making money then you don't have the energy or the time to do what you like. I'm kind of experiencing that right now. For example, I have an afternoon shift. When I come back home, I program myself maybe ahead or the day before. Okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to try to do this and that. Maybe that shift was awful, it was really tiring. I get home, feel extremely lazy and get to not doing those things I have to do. So what do? So what do? I postpone them. And yeah, the things I said and promised myself to actually learn how to do are foremost swimming. So I have to, I must, I hope to learn how to swim, and then play the guitar well, and also learn Korean properly. And yes, so yeah, these are the things and other things. Like now, and reading, I bought a book, and I bought two books. One that's called The Art of Loving by Erich Fromm, and another one called Jekyll and Hyde. So yeah, I hope, and they are English, so also practice English, because like I'm immersed in Italian, so I have to balance the both. So this is it. This is also my new hairstyle for the next month, maybe. I tried a new color, gold. So I don't know, maybe this is actually my first time, like as much as I can remember, using this color. And yes, I like this, and also like the previous one, the brown. It fits my complexion. Yeah, I'm going to also learn how to make up well, like improve this. Okay, so this is all. I hope to update you with something più divertente, più entusiasmante, ma per ora è tutto. And if you haven't watched Squid Game yet, go watch it. Bye.
Manipolo!
Dai, basta.